Hi, this is me, Mohammad Aslan from Sargodha, Pakistan, the citrus capital of Pakistan. Every year, farmers in my region lose millions of crops to disease because they can't identify the problem in time. I built AgriVision using Gemini 3 Pro. It's a pocket plant doctor that works instantly. Okay, you can also say can it's a your AI crop doctor. Okay, before wasting time, go for a demo. I use a random photo. I also change the name to random to don't detect the AI what it's about. I want to see whether it's work or not. I built this site for the local farmers of my area to see if they can detect their fruits or their crops in time. So it's just a demo. See, it's telling that this is the critical area, and it's also tells that the crop or the fruit or something you are showing it's a tomato, and that's really awesome. That's a wow. The purpose of creating the site is for not for the locals, it's for a global. But I also implement the Urdu vision when the local language is spoken in Pakistan. So it's tell that the fruit is infected from here, and it's what's the condition of this is a mold condition that it's totally destroyed from here. And it's not just give this, it's also tell that what why it's happened, and it's also tell that what's the precautions or what we can to do to prevent this. But in this scene is tell that this is not for not to be used. I also mentioned how we build, uh, why we build. So it's also telling that this is citrus and it's detecting the area 100%, not 100%, but up to 95%. It's so that's all from my side. And AgriVision turns every farmer into an expert securing food for the world. Thank you.